Hello again, fourth grade. So we're going to talk about some special adjectives, a, and the. And I love saying that over and over again. A, and the are the special adjectives that we will be talking about. And yes, they also describe. So if you look on page 239 in your language arts book, we will begin talking about your special adjectives. Okay? All right. So these special adjectives are also known as articles. Okay. A, and the are articles. If you notice, first, they have listed a plant. Okay. In this sentence, what type of plant? A plant. If you look over, you will see an animal and an honor. Well, when do you use that word an? You use it anytime that you have a noun that begins with a vowel or a vowel sound, okay? So animal begins with the letter A, which is, it's a vowel, okay? And then you have honor and honor, right? So we have your vowel sound and then you have your vowel. So that is when you're going to use that adjective an, okay? The is going to be used before singular nouns that name a particular person, place, or thing. So the desert, the book, the computer, the bottle, okay? The in those circumstances is going to be describing that item. A proper adjective is an adjective that is forming a proper formed from a proper noun, excuse me. Okay, so proper adjectives are always capitalized. Okay, we do the same thing for proper nouns, and proper adjectives, just like and proper nouns, excuse me, are always capitalized because they are specific. Okay, what type of citizen? American citizen. What type of language? Spanish language. Okay. We're going to diagram your articles and proper adjectives. So let's take a look at what sentence they have used and what they have done so that we can break that down a little bit. The African girl smiled. Okay, so if you notice there we have two adjectives. We have one special and we have one proper. Our special is that wonderful article, the. Okay, the girl. She is also being described as African. Okay, that is proper. It is specific to a region. Okay, African is also going to be your adjective. Okay, so remember, we're going to put those on those wonderful diagonal lines beneath our subject. The subject is girl. And what did the girl do? She smiled. Okay, so please make sure that you recognize we have our subject, we have our verb, and then underneath on those wonderful slanted lines, you have the adjective that goes along with it. For number 1 through 4, I want you to practice using a and an. Remember, you use an before a vowel or a vowel sound. For number 5, again, you're going to do this similar thing, okay? Are you going to use the or are you going to use a? And then for 9 and 10, you're going to underline the proper adjective, okay? So what I would do, locate your noun, see how it is described. Is that a proper adjective? Is it capitalized? Is it specific to something? And then for number 11, you are going to proofread. So make sure that you capitalize what needs to be capitalized there. And number 13, I want to do with you, just so that we are all on the same page. The new teacher is Chinese. Okay, so what are we talking about? We're talking about the teacher. So the teacher is described with the word the and new. The teacher, new teacher. Here we have a linking verb, which is the word is. And then You have your predicate adjective, as we have learned before. Predicate adjective is Chinese, and that also happens to be proper, if you notice, and it is capitalized there. So please go forward to 240, complete that page for me. If you have any questions, any concerns, please feel free to go ahead and send me an email. It's always great talking and teaching you guys. I will see you later.